In this video, you'll learn how to build an admin panel using Emergent AI. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to create a fully functional application without any coding experience. Start by navigating to the Emergent website, open a web browser, and enter the URL for Emergent AI. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the main interface where various options for app development are displayed. Next, locate and click on the section labeled Where Ideas Become Reality. This will redirect you to a new page that showcases different application development features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding. After that, find and click on the option that states Build Fully Functional Apps and Websites through simple conversations. This action will further guide you to the specific tools needed for your admin panel creation. Following this, you need to select Full Stack App. Clicking this option will open up a new interface that provides you with the tools required to start building your application. Now, type the phrase Make Admin Panel into the provided input field. As you type, ensure that you enter the correct text to avoid any errors in the following steps. Once you have entered the text, look for the next prompt that appears. Then choose an AI from the available options. This selection will determine the intelligence that drives your application. Ensure you review the options carefully to select the one that best fits your needs. Click on Claude 4.5 Sonnet. This AI option will be used to assist in building your admin panel. After clicking, wait for the system to process your selection. Next, click on the Enter button to confirm your AI choice. This action will initiate the setup process for your application, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your selection was successful. Now find and click on Setting Up Safe Environment. This step is crucial as it ensures that your application is built in a secure environment. You may need to wait for a moment while this setup is processed. This usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Be patient during this period as the system configures your environment for the app development process. Once the setup is complete, a message stating initializing cloud environment will appear. This indicates that the system is preparing the necessary resources for your app. Afterward, you will see a message indicating provisioning resources. This step involves allocating the required resources for your application. Wait for this process to finalize. Next, a message will appear stating configuring environment. This indicates that the system is setting up the operational parameters for your app. Once this is complete, you will see a message that says starting the agent. This means that the AI is now preparing to assist you in building your application. Now click on Auto Answer. This feature allows the AI to generate the application based on your inputs. Once clicked, the system will start processing your request. The AI will build the app you requested, which might take 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, you may see progress indicators on the screen. Finally, when the process is finished, click on Preview App. This will allow you to see the admin panel you have created using Emergent AI. Review the application to ensure it meets your expectations before finalizing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.